everybody. Hi. It's been over a year that I actually vlogged or made a video because I was really caught up between work, my mommy duties, and other chores. But yes, this is going to be our first trip in 2 years. So I am very excited. It's also going to be Advik's first trip. Advik, my first baby, my little baby. He's already very busy. See, look at him. He's already busy.
कहाँ जा रहे हो शोना? कल निकलना है। शोना कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो शोना?
तब से तुम नजर में आ रुके हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे थालमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे थालमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए
So guys, we are staying in the Royal Orchid Hotel Hampi, and it's 4 p.m. now already, and right now we are trying to go for some local sightseeing. Let's see what all we can cover. I'll keep you posted. Bye.
Tararum taram tararum taram tararum taram tararum tararum taram tararum taram tararum taram tararum
With this, we call it a day to come back refreshed the next day as we explore other parts of the ancient Vijayanagara Empire.